In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Facebook Marketplace using PayPal. Whether you're looking to snag a great deal or simply prefer using PayPal for your online transactions, I'll guide you step by step through the process to make it as seamless and straightforward as possible. Make sure you're comfortable and let's get started. First things first, fire up your computer or mobile device and open your favorite web browser. No matter which device you're on, you'll want to head over to Facebook. Just enter www.facebook.com into your browser's address bar. If you haven't already, log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the menu icon. It's typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Give that a click. This action will pull up a new menu with various options for you to choose from. Among the options, look for the section labeled Orders and Payments. This is a key step, as this is where we'll manage how you pay for the things you want to purchase on Facebook Marketplace. Go ahead and click on Orders and Payments. After you've clicked through, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, locate the Add Payment Method button. Clicking on this will allow you to manage and add your preferred payment methods. At this point, you'll see several options, but we're focusing on PayPal today. Select the PayPal option from the list. Doing so will trigger a prompt asking you to connect your PayPal account. Follow the prompts to log in securely to PayPal. You might need to enter your login credentials to authorize this connection. PayPal takes your security seriously, so you can rest assured that your information will be kept safe. Once you've successfully logged into PayPal and confirmed the connection, your PayPal account is now linked to your Facebook account. Now, when you browse through Facebook Marketplace and find something you'd like to buy, you'll notice the option to pay using PayPal. And that's it! With these steps, you've set up PayPal as a payment method for your Facebook Marketplace transactions. This means quicker, more secure checkouts with just a few clicks. Remember, using PayPal not only adds a layer of security, but also tracks your transactions so you can keep an eye on your spending. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you're now ready to dive into the marketplace and explore all the deals at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!